Let me show you on this video how to send your PDFs to your business tools. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to send automatically your PDFs via a form submission to your favorite business tool. For example, Zoho, Salesforce, HubSpot, and much more using this integration. So let's get started. This is my main workspace, and the first thing I need to do is select the form that I want to use for this purpose. In this case, I'm going to use this simple job application form. So let's go into edit this form, and this is going to take me to the job form builder. Once I'm finished building my form, I'm going to jump into settings, and in settings, jump into integrations. And in this section, I'll be able to find a list of all the available integrations that I can integrate with to send over my PDFs, including CRMs, cloud storages, and much more. You can go ahead and click on this drop-down menu to select a category. For example, in this case, CRM. There's available high level, there's Salesforce, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and much more. Let me give you a quick example how easy it is to integrate with one of these so you can send over your PDF. For example, HubSpot. In this case, I have to select the action for HubSpot. Do I want to create a contact, create a deal, a ticket, a company, or a custom record? For an example, in this case, it's a simple job application form. Maybe you want to create a contact when the job application form is filled out. So let's go ahead and create a contact. Let's hit next, integrate with HubSpot. In this case, I've already integrated, so I'm going to continue. And this is going to take me to the integration editor. So what I need to do next is match fields, update existing records if I want to turn this on, add form fields to node. And the most important part is send attachments. This is where we're going to send over the PDF to our favorite business tool. In this case, we are located in HubSpot, so we can send the PDF to HubSpot. Go ahead and select the PDF right here. Select if you want to upload the file to. For example, if you have an upload field on your form, you can also add that into your business tool. Once you've finished integrating, hit next, and once a form submission is made, that is going to automatically send over that PDF to your business tool. And just like you saw with HubSpot, you'll be able to do this with all the available integrations right here, like ActiveCampaign, Keep, Zoho, Sendesk, and so much more. Just go ahead and select the business tool that you want to use to send over those PDFs. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your form, and integrate with your favorite business tool to send over those PDFs automatically. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.